Someone's in a yellow backpack. Platforms. No, platform. Come back.
I'm gonna be all
Platform person, let me use them, please. Let me use the platform. I know a lot of people can use the platform. Where'd you go? Where'd that person go? Also, I need these platforms from someone.
How you do platform? I'm new here.
I need to practice my running. Wait,
Stop chasing me. Whoever catches me gets orange.
I can run fast. I can run fast. And I'm a girl, so you just got beat by a girl.
What'd you say?
And I'm a girl, so you just got beat by a girl.
Hey, how you got
Oh, racing? Are you racing?
Uh-huh.
3, to end the hallway. 3, 2, 1, go. Grandpa point. Oh, grandpa point.
I got caught.
Oh,
Anybody want to play Mimi?
ow, my shoulder. Ow. Oh, my. Oh, gosh. Hey, wait. I bet you don't have this hat.
I don't have anything. White. Nothing.
Wait.
Like, I can't press this.
Let
Look
me
at
go to look at my face. Beard. Clown nose.
Where am I going to I'm in already.
I'm gonna go see if I can afford everything so bad.
Oh, I forgot what I did. So, you want to play the game? You want to play the horror game? You want to see the buttons and stuff?
Where's hospital? Where's hospital?
So right here is like just a big hallway, and then
Hospital?
oh, hospital. That was Sigma easy. Now you have to have your own. They did nothing wrong to die. There's nothing to die, my friend. I'm in the